The 0x protocol is a new way to trade tokens and cryptocurrencies with other people. It's an open source project built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Because it's open source, that means the 0x protocol changes frequently. Almost every day, Ethereum adds new features and developers write new code for 0x. So, how does 0x evolve without breaking the projects that use it today? That's where the ZRX token comes in. ZRX is a token built on Ethereum that interacts with the 0x protocol. Today, ZRX is used to pay fees to 0x relayers. When you make a trade through a 0x relayer, you pay them a small amount of ZRX. In the future, however, the 0x team plans to use ZRX for an additional purpose. They plan to give people who hold ZRX tokens complete control over how the 0x protocol changes over time. By allowing 0x to adopt upgrades without downtime or disruption to markets, relayers and 0x users always have access to the latest technology. This allows the 0x protocol to evolve publicly over time, guided by a global community of people who are incentivized to improve existing projects while remaining focused on 0x's future.